Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about connective tissue, the second form of the tissues. Connective tissues means they are deal with connection and support. Connective tissues support and bind, unlike the epithelial tissues that are merely lining an epithelium or covering epithelium. Connective tissues are and distributed to various organs, and connective tissues are present in extracellular matrix, like the matrix which is present between the cells, and it is composed of various fiber, reticular fiber, collagen fibers, and various chemical compound that give its consistency of various sizes, from gel to fluid consistency, and it depends upon the functional properties how it is structured, and according to its function or according to its structures, connective tissues can be classified into two general types, like loose connective tissue, in which the different fiber, elastic fiber, or collagen fiber or reticular fiber are with the elastic in nature, and they are loose in type, like a strong flexible fiber of protein collagen. Like collagen are actually a hard protein and strong protein present in extracellular matrix and provides stability to these structures, and they are interwoven with the fine elastic and reticular fiber. There are collagen fiber, but there are also elastic and reticular fiber that give its the consistency of loose and making it an excellent binding tissue. How? Because it is elastic in nature, and it is help protect systems underlying it, and it is also present underlying the skins. Then there are the fibrous connective tissues, in which collagen fiber are densely packed, and loose connective tissue collagen fiber are merely interwoven with each other, and they are not densely packed with each other. But in fibrous connective tissue, the collagen fiber are densely packed, and they are made parallel to one another, so that their consistency is so strong, creating very strong cord. An example of the fibrous connective tissue may be tendons, which connect muscle to the bone, and ligament, which connect bone to bone, that may be elastic, but tendon are very hard. What are the example of loose connective tissue? They may be adipose. Adipose tissues are the example of loose connective tissues, and they are loose cells present in various location in the body, like around the kidney, in the abdomen, and in various tissues, and they accumulate fat, and they are a storehouse of fat. Then there is the cartilage. Cartilage is the hard connective tissues that is yet flexible and can protect our various organs, and usually they are present at the end of the bones that are forming joints. They are little bit elastic than bones. Their mature cells are called chondrocytes, and they are present in a space called lacuna. And what is their matrix? Their matrix is a rubbery matrix, like elastic matrix, and in which in matrix chondroblasts are secreted. Chondroblasts are the early cells that are going to be differentiated into the chondrocytes, and there is a rubbery matrix and a collagen fiber, and they give the cartilage strength and also elasticity, and collagen is actually for strength. And there are the bones. They also consist of the cells called osteocytes that are also present in the cavities like lacuna, but their matrix is not like elastic or rubbery as that of present in cartilage, but they are composed of dense and hard, and there is calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate, and that make this type of tissues particularly hard and suited for the various function that help in support. You know that muscle and bones are actually our liver system that are going to produce various type of the motions. Then there is a blood which is in the form of liquid, which is in the form of fluid, is actually a connective tissue. It is very important. It's specialized. They are composed of plasma. It is composed of red and white blood cells, and what is the function is transport various substances throughout the body and transport and give nutrition to various cells. Let's see what are the consistency of various connective tissues. Here are the loose connective tissues in which collagen fiber are loosely bound with each other, and with reticular fiber and elastic fiber. What is their location underlying the skin, and what is their function? They wrap and cushion the organs. Like fatty tissues, they are adipose tissues. Here is their example. They consist of mostly fatty, and these fats are washed up during the slide, so most of the cells appear to be empty, and their cytoplasm is pushed to the one side. And they are present inside the at various locations like kidney, skin, and bones, and function provide fuel. They help in storage of energy. Then they provide heat, provide insulations. We will talk about them later in detail. Then there are the fibrous connective tissues in which you can see the collagen fiber are in parallel with one and the other, and they are very densely packed. What is their location? The areas where they are densely packed and hard contain the fibrous connective tissue like dermis of the skin, submucosa of digestive tract, and fibrous capsule of organ. What is this function? Actually, strength and structure. Then we are going to discuss about cartilages. Cartilages are in three in number. Let's talk about the types of the cartilage. Here is our hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is strongest and most abundant cartilage to be found in cells. Here are their cells present in lacunae, and they are present in embryonic skeletons. When an embryo, the skeleton of the body, is going to be formed, it actually consists of chondrocytic skeleton or hyaline cartilaginous skeletons, and it also covers the end of the bones at the joints, and it forms the nose, trachea. What is the function? Support and reinforcement. Then let's talk about the elastic cartilage. They are elastic in nature and provide structure and shape and flexibility. They are present in external ear and epiglottis. Then there are the fibrous cartilages. They are fibrous tissues or fibrous collagenous fiber. And what is their location? Intervertebral discs, pubic symphysis, like pubic bones make joints in front of hip bone, and disc of knees. What is their function? Absorb compression shock. They help in shock absorption. And there are our bony tissues, yeah, osseous tissues, also called osseous tissues, and deposited with various chemicals like calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. And location is osseous tissue is found in bone, and function support and protect, provide liver system. For with the help of muscles we move substances, and we move our joints, and we actually perform various type of movements.